everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. I bought this, in fact, Jay and I bought this car from an older man down in Tennessee. He did a complete frame-off restoration on this car about 12 years ago. Car's out of South Carolina, good solid South Carolina body. Just a cool car, man. I really like this car. It's a clean, straight car. It's finished in the original frost green metallic. It's got the black vinyl top, the black vinyl interior. It's got a nice set of 15-inch American Racing torque thrust Ds. Car kind of sits up a little bit, kind of that old school look. It's got a 69 date-coated 396 underneath the hood. 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission with a B&M lockup converter. Cool car. Disc brakes, air blows cold. Really just a nice car. I drove it, probably put, I don't know, 8-10 miles on it when we had it down there, and it's just a good car. And it's about a 12-year-old restoration. You can see it's got some of the original trim still on it. So you can kind of nitpick some spots in the paint, but still very nice. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Car's just got a good look to it. It's just, that's what it is. It's just a good car. Dash is nice in there. Vinyl top's in great shape. Got all custom sound system in it. This is, if you can see this, you can kind of see it's got some little like lift marks, little blemishes in the paint. Again, I wouldn't mess with it. He showed it. We bought it right at a car show. I wouldn't mess with it. Turn the key and drive this thing. Have some fun. It's nice and straight down the sides. Car's slick. I like the torque thrust Ds on it. I think they look good. Front disc brakes. This is a 69 date coated 396 Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got the aluminum intake on it. It's got headers. 700 R4 overdrive transmission. You can see it's all brand new. I think, yeah, old Air Products AC unit on it. Power steering, power disc brakes, HEI distributor. And yes, the air blows cold, guys. New mirror. Door handles are definitely newer. It's got new door rubbers in it. Got the black vinyl interior, new carpet, new sill plates, bucket seats, console, sports steering wheel. It's got 94,000 on the odometer. It's got the factory dash. Now he's added a little in-dash tack and some pro gauges. It's got an all custom sound system on it. That's your it's a Velcro mounted. That's a lock-up converter on the bottom. Flowmaster H pipe dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Now, when he first built the car, it had a 12 bolt in it. Had a problem with a 12 bolt. So he's actually just built a 10 bolt. It's got a 10 bolt with a 323 limited slip rear end. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated like it should be in here. There's part of your sound system. And like I say, it was an older man who had it. Just a good car. Fun car to cruise. Nice and clean underneath. Again, about 12 years ago, he said he pulled it off the frame. A little chip in the paint there. I can have Eddie take a look at that, see if we can match that up. It's a stock color frost green. Seats are nice. It's even got the overdrive selector in it. We'll have Jay fire it up here. Car's just got a good look to it. Jay's got the air over here on. You can see it works. In there working, Jay?
Yeah.
Like that all functions. Oh, he's got the custom kick pads with the speakers in it. We got a backup bulb out. One of the backup lights works though. This car's got a great sound to it. All custom sound system, blower motor works. We got a bulb out on that side. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. It's a good looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.